TWIN BUSCH, Germany, your competent partner for lifting platforms and vehicle garage equipment with 12 branches in 7 countries. With the TWWK-K-128 tool case, 128 pieces, you are perfectly equipped for repairs, assembly work, and DIY projects. Whether in the workshop, the garage, or around the house, this set provides a comprehensive basic kit for everyday use. The sturdy aluminum case reliably protects the tools and ensures a long service life. All tools are clearly organized, so every item has its dedicated place and is always within easy reach. Thanks to the practical carrying handle, the case is easy to transport and ideal for mobile use, perfect for working on the go or for spontaneous jobs. Its compact dimensions make it easy to store and quick to access whenever you need it. Suitable for beginners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals, the TWWK-K-128 tool case, 128 pieces, belongs in every well-equipped setup. Visit us in one of our branches. With 12 branches in 7 countries also in your area. We offer advice and product demonstrations in our showrooms, as well as sales and technical service on-site with our service fleet. Warehouse logistics with large stock of products available for an immediate delivery. Spare parts and repair service assembly videos with step-by-step instructions, as well as constant new and further developments of our products. Everything from a single source, from lifts to tire changes and tire balances. Awarded 9 times as the best brand. TWIN BUSCH, Germany, your competent automotive garage supplier.